guys, little Emolga. That's what we're calling our little squirrel, because it's actually a squirrel Pokemon's name. The kids picked it. She's getting big. And when she's hungry, she is not kidding. Hold on there, girl. Here you go. Move, baby, so she can eat. I have a nipple from a kitten nurser that I've put on the end of a syringe. We found that this works the best for her because I can measure what she's eating, so I just push it down a tiny little bit about every 3 seconds, and if I don't do it fast enough, she gets kind of upset with me. She's got a pretty good grip on this thing too. I love how her little ears wiggle when she drinks. It's so cute. We ordered some monkey biscuits online, and we're going to start introducing her to that food so she can get used to the smell of it before she even opens her eyes, which is going to be any day now, or even any minute now. According to the charts online, she's about 5 weeks old. Every once in a while she'll get it in kind of the wrong way and it'll come up her nose. So we just hold her upside down for a few seconds and wipe her nose. I've taken another syringe and kind of cleaned her nose out with it a little bit, kind of like people do for babies when they're congested. But she seems to be just fine.